Cartoon TV. Learn, explore, and have fun. Subscribe Cartoon TV for more learning videos.
Hello, my friends. Today we practice basic English words and fun. What's your name?
My name is Annie. What's your name?
My name is Jack. What's your age?
I'm 8 years old. What's your age, Jack?
I'm also 8 years old. Repeat the words after me. Morning, afternoon, evening, night, conversation. Let's start. Good morning, Annie.
Good morning, Jack.
Good afternoon, Annie.
Good afternoon, Jack.
Good evening, Annie.
Good evening, Jack.
Good night, Annie.
Good night, Jack.
Quiz time. Are you ready?
Morning. Guess. Morning. Evening. Guess. Evening. Afternoon. Guess. Afternoon. Night. Guess. Night.
Bye-bye, kids. Subscribe Cartoon TV.